Hi everyone, welcome to my C++ programming course. Here I will go over the contents of my full coursework. First, we'll look into the simple basics of C++ programming, where I will cover the basics such as program structure, namespaces, user input-output, file input-output, and the header files. Then we will learn about compilation and execution in different environments. Next will be the operations, where we will get to see the arithmetic operations, and then we will look into control flow, where we will implement using logic operators, using if-else loops, etc. After that, we will look at pointers, followed by arrays and then vectors. And then we'll go over functions. After we cover the easy stuffs and build our confidence in the basics, we will go over the classes, which will be followed by overloading and template concepts. Then we will learn about inheritance and polymorphism, which is one of the most important part of programming. One other thing I would like to mention is that whenever we will cover a concept, I will go over various different worked examples with you guys so that you can understand how the basic concepts are used in real life and how interviewers will ask questions on these concepts. I will also show you whiteboarding and how to think of inner mechanism, which is also very important to learn because it will build up your confidence level for coding interview. By the end of this course, you will have a good understanding of C++ programming basics. So please subscribe and share this video with your friends.